Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. And those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make a comment, share, like. It will be much appreciated, guys. Okay, today we are doing eggs, and not only eggs. I'll be showing you how to make fluffy eggs, guys. We have our 2 eggs. We'll have salt, paprika, black pepper, and cheese. Let's do this, guys. Okay, guys, now we'll beat our egg, and we need to separate the yolk and the white one here. Let's do this. We have the white and the yolk there. Like that, we have the yolk and the white one here. We set that aside. We start with the yolk, guys. We add black pepper. We add paprika to taste. We add salt. And also we'll add our cheese. We are done with that. We set aside. Take our white one. We beat it. Until you see foams, until you're beating. You're not yet there. And to that point, we'll add sugar. Like that. See, we are almost there, guys. Continue beating. You can see, guys, onto that point we add our yolk. Go straight to the pan. We add oil. We let it heat a bit. We add our egg. Make sure you're cooking at raw heat. You can check. You can check. It has cooked. You can see, guys, our egg is ready. Now we plate it. You can see, guys, our egg is ready. You can have it for breakfast. And thank you so much for watching. Continue subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.